All right, it's time for circle time. So we're going to go ahead and start with our month. It's a new month. It is the month of May. May, we've already had 2 days in May. Today is the 3rd day of May. And tomorrow is a very special day. It is called May the 4th. And May the 4th is a special day for those who love Star Wars. Do you love Star Wars? I love Star Wars.
Yes, I don't like it.
Ah, stop, you're hurting me. So tomorrow is May the 4th, and that's when it's Star Wars Day. So I'm going to put that right there for right now. Yay, May the 4th. Because it goes, May the 4th be with you. So our things for our pattern, we have our kite. Oh, my friends, we're sitting quietly. What should we start with? Should we start with the sun or the kite? What do you think?
The sun.
The sun. We're going to put the sun right here.
Okay.
And let's put another sun right here.
Okay.
All right. So if I'm going to do 3 of everything, that means I have to put another sun right here. So we're doing 3 of all the things. That means tomorrow for May the 4th is going to be not the sun. What is it going to be?
The kite.
A kite. Let's go ahead and sing our Days of the Week song. Ready? Days of the week. 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 Clapping those hands. Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Clap your hands. All right. Your turn to sing. Sunday and there's Days of the week. Days of the week. And today is Monday, May 3rd, 2021. Remember, we have no school on Wednesday. Let's go ahead and listen. What kind of weather do we have outside today? It is cloudy outside, and my friends are saying that there was a little rain coming out of those clouds. So we're going to put cloudy with a little bit of rain coming too. Oop, not too cloudy.
That was me.
Miss Sunny, choose somebody there that is doing a great job to make a prediction for tomorrow.
Mr. Will.
Mr. Will, tell us, what kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow?
Sunny.
Sunny weather for tomorrow. That sounds great to me.
Mhm.
All right. Today we're not going to sing our alphabet. We're going to say them. Remember to say the alphabet. We don't sing. We say. So we're saying A, B. Ready? Here we go. Let's say it together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, let's count to 15. Ready? Let's touch our heads. Cover your eyes. Touch your ears. See who's listening. Touch your knees. Shake those hands in the air like you just don't care. In your lap they go. Let's count to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, All right, we're counting backwards from 8. Sitting still. Let's count together. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! All right, excellent job, friends. That's awesome. Looking for some colors. All right, what color? What color is my elephant? We are working on the nursery rhyme London Bridge. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. All right, our letter this week is the magic letter C. C says like in cookies. Carl, cat, and Cogsworth. All right, that's the letter C. Let's sing about the letter C. Ready? We're going to do our song. Here. There it goes. Nope. I hit it 3 times. Down. Make a magic C, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Stop at the bottom, look and see. That magic C looks good to me. One more time. One more time. Remember, you point to the C, and then you point to you. Here we go. Starting at the top. Make a magic C, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Stop at the bottom, look and see. Point to the C. Magic C. Thumbs to you. Very nice. All right, thanks for joining us for Circle Time. Have a great day.